Namaskar. On the occasion of World Cancer Day, I wish you all. Today we have with us brilliant, noted icon of our country, singer Zubeen Garg. On this occasion, he is here to sing a song for us, for all the brave fighters for battling cancer, and all those people who are with them in this hour of need. I would just like to say one thing, ladies and gentlemen. Cancer say, daro mat. Cancer say, laro. Cancer patients don't need our pity. They only need our love and our feelings for them. That is all they require. Give them a hand of support, and that is what is actually required today. Thank you very much. Zubeen.
Hello, I'm with our Deputy Commissioner Devashish Sharma, who's fighting against cancer and helping the patients all his life. And my best wishes to all the patients and all the fighters who are fighting against cancer. And we should fight and we should win this battle. So, in the occasion of World Cancer Day, I convey my regards and best wishes to all of you.
Thank you
very much.
We'll sing a number, age-old number, Bhupenda's Mano Hai Manohar Babe.
Mano Hai Manohar Babe, Jodi Hai Akono Na Bhabe, Kohanubuti Re, Abi Bakura No Kuba. Harmonia, Manohar Babe, Jodi Hai Akono Na Bhabe, Kohanubuti Re, Abi Bakura No Kuba. Harmonia, Manohar Babe. Manu hai manu ho desi bokuji, Manu hai manu ho kini bokuji, Manu hai manu ho desi bokuji, Manu hai manu ho kini bokuji, Puroni bihak duhari le, Uljanu no hukuma, Puroniya, Manu hai manu ho duhari, Jodi hai akono na bhabe, Kohanubuti Re, Kune no Kuba, Harmonia, Manohar Babe. Durbol mane jodi, Jiyonar kutar jodi, Par hoy tumhare ahor, Tumi her manu ki, Durbol mane jodi, Par hoy tumhare ahor, Tumi her manu ki, Manu jodi hai no hoy manu, Taro kahani no hoy manu, Jodi taro kahani ba hoy manu, Laj pabo kune no kuwa, Harmonia.